More tools in Flash. In class 7th, we have discussed the last chapter, that was communication on internet. Now this is the chapter number 7, more tools in Flash. What we will discuss in this chapter? In class 6th, we have already learned some Flash tools, line tool, oval tool, rectangle tool, and some more tools. In this chapter, we will discuss some advanced features of Flash. In this video, we will take the lecture 1, the part 1 of this chapter, and we will discuss the pen tool, eyedropper tool, etc. Now, what you will learn today? Today, you will learn what is Flash, Flash software version, pen tool, eyedropper tool, importing a picture. Now, what is Flash? Flash is an animation and multimedia delivery platform developed sold by Adobe Corporation. Application include animations, presentations, video player, interactive application, and games. Flash software versions. Which are the Flash software versions which we have? Right now we have new versions available with Flash CS3, 30 days free trial. Now afterwards we have to take the license of that. Till that you can use it freely and enjoy. First download the Flash and do some creative innovations with it. Now what are the tools available in that? Pen tool and eyedropper tool. We will discuss pen tool first. Now what is pen tool? Pen tool is used to drawing a precise paths like straight lines, smooth curves. You can adjust the angles according to yourself and the line segments of the slopes and curves. आप उसको अपने हिसाब से एडजस्ट कर सकते हो सिंपली क्लिकिंग ऑन द स्टेज वाइल कर्व्ड लाइंस एंड क्रिएटेड बाय क्लिकिंग एंड ड्रैगिंग. पेन टूल्स के कुछ स्टेप्स हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेप, क्रिएट द सिलेक्ट द पेन टूल, देन क्लिक ऑन द स्टेज, क्लिक अगेन ऑन द सेकेंड पॉइंट by clicking the more points. Flash automatically connects the points as you set them. Afterward leaves the path and create the closed shape. After closing the shapes, you can click on the pen tool and save it on the next appear pen tip. These are the steps of the pen tools. Pen tools is very helpful to preparing anything. Now next is eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool is used to pick up the colors from the style from existing lines, brush strokes, fills. You then apply these colors and styles to other objects also. There are also some steps to follow the eyedropper tool. First, select the eyedropper tool. You will notice that the pointer changes on an eyedropper. Click the line or fill from where you wish to copy the formatting. You will notice that the pointer changes to in bottle if you select a line color, or to the paint bucket if you select the fill color. फिल कलर या पूरे को अगर आपको कलर करना है तो आपको फिल बकेट, पेंट बकेट यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज यू कैन यूज़ द ब्रश और पेंट इंक बॉटल्स फॉर some editings and some coloring the lines. Click the line to fill which you want to wish to apply the copied formatting. This is all about the eyedropper tool. What eyedropper tool actually does. eyedropper tool में आपको यहाँ पे मैंने स्क्रीन पे भी दिखाया हुआ है, पेंट बकेट एंड eyedropper. Now next is importing a picture. How to import a picture in your Flash. Now to import a clip art or any other image from your computer, some steps you have to follow. Select the file menu, go to the import and import to stage, any stage which you want. Import dialog box will appear. From that dialog box you have to select your drive or a folder. Then you can click it on the picture which you want to open. This is your classwork which I am discussing with you. This you have not to write, but you have to do. Just what is the tools are, how we use the pen tool and Flash tools. This is all about the chapter 7, more tools in Flash. Thank you dear students.